Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Caleb, where's your little sister? What are you talking about? She's right here. No, your other little sister. I'm not sure. Wait, give me a second, guys. Okay, this is getting strange. I'm gonna touch. Dude, can I just... Okay, you know what? Okay, let me just do this. Yes, so I'm going to my mom's... we're going for my aunt's first sleepover. So, yeah. Okay, I'll call you later. Oh my god. Kara! Why are you... What, Mom? Honey, why are you always have to be late? What? What did I even do wrong? You always say that. Now, come on. Get in the car before your dad gets mad, okay? Alright. Get in. Alright. Come on, guys. Wait. Give me 1 second, okay? Bro! Okay. Come on, Corey. Alright. Bro, okay. Come on, David, let's go. Going to Montage, it's so cool. Yeah. Okay, no, it's not. Wait, no. This is the wrong train station. This is so wrong train station. Go here, mister. Go here, mister. Go here, mister. Okay. Let me get the whole... Why are you guys in here? Oh my gosh, get out. Get out right now. Okay, so... Bro, okay, you know what? Let me just... Oh my god. Dude, okay, get out. Okay, Alright, guys, it's time to go. Let's go. Alright. Wait, dude, not with... Okay, you know what? Let me just... Wait, no, not with you, bruh. Okay, put you here, put you here, put you here, and put you here. And let's get inside. Okay, guys, you could sit whatever you like, but make sure you sit. Actually, I don't even know anymore. You guys go sit. Alright. We get it, Mom. Alright. Okay, honey. I'll set David here. Alright, let's pretend that David is like... Yeah. Dude, what? Oh, wait, what? Wait, what was I doing again? Oh, yeah, okay. Mom, why are you guys standing? No reason. Alright. So, yeah, the kids aren't... So, like, Kara and Caleb are now 20, but, like, they're not moving out yet, so, yeah. Alright, come on, guys, let's go. Dude, why did I spawn here? Okay, wait, where's the kids? Kayad, wait, what? Oh, there they are. Anyways, wait, what was I doing again? Okay, and, let's see. Wait, guys, have you seen our brother? Oh my god, David!
Bye.
Oh my gosh. 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 It's alright, honey. Don't freak out. I don't care, Dad. Oh my gosh. Bro, don't even freak out. Don't worry. I'm gonna, son, can I borrow your phone? Dad. Sorry, hon. I mean, bro, whatever. Okay, hello? Yes, I would like to, can you please, yeah, yes, I need your help. I have, like, a 2-year-old son, and now he's, like, riding a train at, like, age 2. Like, I don't even know what is happening right now. So, like, can you please help me? Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay, son, I contact them. All right. Oh, my gosh, I'm right now freaking out. Dude, stop freaking out for no reason, bruh. I can't, okay? Okay, you know what? Alright, we got a runner. Oh, here he is. There you go. Hello, Mr. Little one. Here's your son. What's his name? David. And yes, thank you so much. No problem. David, did we even talk about this?
I want to try.
Oh my gosh. Okay, when is this drama gonna be over? I just wanna go to the cabin already. Man, for an 8-year-old. What did I tell you?
Don't walk out.
Oh my gosh. Dad, can we just go? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Part 2 coming soon.